structurally in activism, or what's thinkable on an individual level, kind of cognitive liberation, but also to think about what group dynamics authorize as able to be considered, able to be talked about within the group. It also opens some possibility for integrating a sense of serendipity into our studies. A lot of what happens in social movements, I think, falls under this general rubric of happenstance, that it can be incredibly effectual, as the mention of that faith-based group does. Or looking at my earlier work on Nazi movements, somebody can just bump into a Nazi recruiter, and in an hour, their life takes a sudden turn from middle-class, mainstream person to a trajectory into Nazism. Now, those kind of human choices, those kind of very fast happenstantial events, are generally excluded from our analysis in social movements. They're kind of the noise, the things we can't account for, the idiosyncrasies. But I want to argue that those kind of things are also important indications of agency and human choice that we ignore at our peril, and to suggest that this kind of model allows us to think about the importance those have in directing sequences and directing the unfolding of social movements and activist core projects. That's enough talking for me. Thank you for listening.